Hey everyone, I'm Dylan with Nowaskey Performance Technical Support Team. In this video, we're going to go over a step-by-step tutorial on how to install the Nowaskey Monoshock for M8 Softails. Let's get into it. Prepare the motorcycle. Park the motorcycle on a level surface. Securely position the motorcycle on a center jack. Raise the motorcycle until there is no load on the rear suspension. Remove the rider seat. On applicable models, remove the left side saddlebag. Remove the 2 screws retaining the right side cover and remove the side cover. Remove the shock adjuster screw and discard it. This component will not be reinstalled. Remove the 2 fasteners securing the frame crossmember. Remove the small bolt that secures the ECM housing to the underside of the frame crossmember. Remove the frame crossmember and set it aside. Loosen the lower shock absorber pinch bolt. Remove the lower shock absorber bolt. Remove the upper shock absorber bolt. Carefully remove the shock absorber from the motorcycle. Discard the original shock absorber as it will not be reused. Disconnect the quick disconnect fitting to separate the reservoir from the shock absorber. Install the new shock absorber into the motorcycle. Apply blue Loctite to the fastener threads. Install the upper and lower shock absorber fasteners. Torque the upper and lower shock absorber fasteners to 63 to 70 foot-pounds. Torque the lower shock absorber pinch bolt to 12 to 15 foot-pounds. Route the reservoir hose to prevent rubbing, chafing, or pinching during suspension travel. Reinstall the frame crossmember. Install the ECM housing retaining fastener. Torque the ECM housing retaining fastener to 36 inch-pounds. Torque the 2 crossmember fasteners to 17 to 20 foot-pounds. Install the reservoir mount. Remove the 2 left side fender support to frame fasteners. Discard these fasteners as they will not be reused. Apply blue Loctite to all provided fasteners. With the provided 1032 screw, install the reservoir clamp to the mount. Torque the fastener to 20 inch-pounds. Install the supplied reservoir mount using the provided 3/8 16 hardware. Torque the reservoir mount fastener to 35 to 42 foot-pounds. Install the reservoir into the reservoir clamp using the provided 832 screw and torque the fastener to 15 inch-pounds. Connect the reservoir hose to the shock absorber using the quick connect fitting. Record fully extended measurement. With the suspension fully extended, measure the distance from the center of the rear axle vertically to the center of the fender support. Record this measurement for use during suspension setup. Apply blue Loctite to the side cover retaining fasteners. Install right side cover and 2 retaining fasteners. Torque the fasteners to 36 inch-pounds. Carefully lower the motorcycle to the ground and place it on the kickstand. Install the rider seat. With the rider seated on the motorcycle in normal riding position and load, measure the distance from the center of the rear axle vertically to the center of the fender support. The rider loaded measurement should be 1 inch or 25 millimeters less than the fully extended measurement. If the measurement differs from this value, adjust the preload as described in the instruction manual. If the rider measurement is 1 inch less than the fully extended measurement, no preload adjustment is required. Install the rider seat. Install and tighten the seat screw. On applicable models, install the right side saddlebag. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you guys with your Monoshock installation, make sure to leave a like below, hit the bell, and subscribe for future videos about installation instructions or build videos. If you have any questions regarding your Monoshock installation, make sure to check out the instruction manual available at nowaskey.com or reach out to us directly at 715-235-3659. We'll see you next week.